Hello and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to go over the Electrolux diagnostic mode and error codes. Let's get started. To get started, you'll press the power button, then select normal. Then press start, and you'll press the power button. Then you'll press the power button one more time. Then you'll hold the temp and set. Great, so now we're in diagnostic mode. Now let's move forward to each step. Rotate the knob clockwise to move to step 1. Test 1 is the wash compartment. It activates the door lock and the hot valve. Test 2, bleach compartment. It activates the door lock and the bleach valve. Test 3, it activates the softener compartment, which activates the door lock, the cold valve, and the bleach valve. Test 4, stain compartment, it activates the door lock and the pre-wash valve. Test 5, door unlocked and drum light. Test 6, heater and motor test, it activates the pressure sensor, cold valve, motor, NTC, and door lock. Test 7, recirculation pump. It activates the recirculation pump, pressure sensor, cold valve, motor, door lock, and drum light. Test 8, concentrated wash pump. Activates the wash pump, door lock, and drum light. Test 9, drain pump. Activates the drain pump, the motor, and the door lock. Test 10 is the all valve on test and also activates the door lock. Test 11, error history. It will display the last 3 recent error codes. Okay, in the next part of the video we'll go over all the error codes and show you exactly what they mean. Error code 11, fill time too long. Make sure you check your valves if you get this error. Error 13, water leak in tub or in pressure sensor. Error 21, water not pumping out fast enough. Error 23, drain error. Error 24, drain error sensing. Error 31, electronic pressure switch error. Error 32, pressure sensor calibration problem. Error 35, pressure sensor indicates water overfill. Error 38, air trap clog. Error 41, control board thinks the door switch is open. Error 42, door lock device failure. Error 43, door lock failure. Error 45, line door sensor failure. Error 55, motor under speed. Error 57, high current on inverter. Error 58, high current on motor phrase. Error 59, no spin signal for 3 seconds. Error 5A, high temperature on control board due to overload. Error 5B, motor control under voltage. Error 5C, high voltage by MC. Error 5D, communication problem with motor control. Error 5F, MC is continuously resetting. Error 62, wash temperature too high. Error 66, heater relay problem. Error 68, current leakage. Error 69, heater open. Error 6A, heater relay sensing problem. Error 71, drum water NTC failure. Error 74, water temperature does not increase. Error 83, wrong selector reading. Error 84, recirculation pump sensing failure. Error 85, recirculation pump alarm which stops the cycle. Error 86, incorrect UI table. Error 87, user interface microcontroller fault. Error 91, communication error UI to control board. Error 92, UIMB controllers error. Error 93, console or main control board problem. Error 94, main control board problem. Error 97, console or main control board control problem. Error 9C, user interface configuration problem. Error H1B1, frequency of power out of limits. Error H2B2, supply voltage too high. Error H3B3, supply voltage too high. Error F5, unbalanced load. Error F6, control reset. Error F9, hot valve warning, hot water and cold water hoses inverted. Error 9E, touch sensor on panel not responding. Error F2, too much soap or wrong type. Code HEBE, control relay fault. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos, and have a good one.